I decided to just continue to teach a new word. 14th word, which is she. It's like an English sh sound, as in shot, shout, And so it's written like this. So you can see it from se, right? She is has like three dots on top. If there's no dot, then it's se. If there is, and then it's she. Again, it has four different forms. Beginning form, front connecting form, um, back connecting form, and like middle connecting form, back connecting form, just same as se, and alone form. For the first one, front connecting form, shir, lion, or şair, poet, yeah. So you see she'ire and she'aire, right? In the middle connecting form, yekşembe, yekşembe. Here you see yekşembe means Sunday, or like qishta in winter. Qishta at winter, like qish is winter, ta. So here it become like a middle connecting form. The other one is back connecting form. Chish, like teeth. And chush. Chush means dream. Also, it means like come down. Chush, from somewhere like going down. Shmek, chush. But chush alone, it means like a dream. It means dream. Oh no, I made a mistake. No, it should be alone form. I'm talking about the back connecting. Sorry, guys. Kılıç, do, and teş. Elish, take, right? Elish, bearish, a lot, like. So now the alone form. Here we can use like kış, winter, or çüş, dream. Right, so you see this is the fourth form, alone form. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, this is how it's connected. Again, there is another note. I told you before that when we see like three dots, we don't really write it that way. For example, I will just write like this. Like, I told you, like, I just connected, like, pay. I write it like this, right? And then for she too, with like or ve, like even for connecting, like these different forms. I just like sha, she, share, something like that. I like to write it like that. If you see someone's handwriting, Uyghur, so handwritten Uyghur, you see this and you might think, what is this? It's she. But in publication or computer and electronics on the book, it's still like three dots. But in daily life, when we write, we like to connect the dots, or like two dots become like one line, or some people like to write it like this more beautifully, like curry, or like this. And some people, some of my friends will write share, like this is share, right? It's say, right? If I want to make it share, they might do it like this. It's like two dot become one line and one dot, or this, or this all means share. It's just people's preference, but how they connect the dots. But in the books, it's like three dots. But in handwritten way, we like to connect the dots in a different style. And this is my style. Just